natural part of life, one that challenges our understanding and perception of truth. As Roger Scruton said, ambiguity is the beginning of all art and the end of all science. Meaning that uncertainty can inspire creativity and imaginations, but in the pursuit of knowledge, it must eventually give way to clarity. Oscar Wilde's words, "The truth is rarely pure and never simple," reminds us that life is full of contradictions, right and wrong, truth and lies often blend together in ways that are hard to separate. In moments of confusion, Tim Peters advises, in the face of ambiguity, refuse the temptation to guess, teaching us to be patient and thoughtful instead of rushing into conclusions. Sometimes, as Emo Phillips humorously said, ambiguity is the devil's volleyball, showing that misunderstanding can easily lead to conflict and chaos if we are not careful. Yet, we must accept that the world is not simple. It is full of ambiguity and paradox. For it is through facing uncertainty that we learn, grow, and understand life's deeper meanings. Ambiguity teaches us humility. It reminds us that not everything has one clear answer, and that sometimes wisdom lies in embracing the unknown.